Metformin XR, the world's most prescribed diabetes medication. Every tablet demands uncompromising precision. Moisture destroys the extended release mechanism. Heat breaks the polymer matrix. The Kevin KRC, engineered for pharmaceutical-grade dry granulation. Metformin HCl, fed dry. No liquid, no heat, no risk. Precision screw feeding. Counter-rotating rollers. Integrated granulator. No moisture, no heat. API integrity preserved. Uniform particle size, consistent bulk density, excellent compressibility. Extended release, intact. From powder to granule, granule to tablet. Complete process confidence for the world's most critical formulations. R&D to pilot, pilot to full production. Same process conditions, same results at every scale. 50 countries, 1,200 plus installations, trusted by pharmaceutical manufacturers worldwide. Kevin Process Technologies, precision engineered for the medicines the world depends on.